Here's a quick look at the Dynacom 24-port angled patch panel. Now these are designed for improved cable management. Ports are angled to route patch cords directly in vertical cable managers, preventing tangles and the need for bulky horizontal cable managers. Includes a bracket, some ties, some rack mount screws. Also got some, you can also increase the rack density by using these and not using those panels. You do have to use the high density jacks, as you can tell. And here are some examples of how they look installed, and as you can tell, it's commonly installed with the vertical managers and without the horizontal. Order online at discountlowvoltage.com.